Oh, Enes. Pak susu eh. Veel laukie in de kamer. Veel van curry oil aan de pool. Mensen zijn mingi aan de pool. En jou maso. Ik heb pie. Volle ma.
Back in the game, homie, one
Sip
more
some
time.
respect.
We gone for a minute, but I'm back.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
Why you answer the phone like that?
It's a song, Grandma.
Is it a real song?
Yeah, it's a real song by Fetty Wap.
By who?
Fetty Wap.
So hard. You know what? That's it.
Fuck around and get smoked, nigga. Know I'm talking about 2,500 for the outdoor, nigga. Know I'm talking about got that Girl Scout for the low, nigga. Know I'm talking about I've been grinding my whole life.
Fuck around, get smoked, nigga. Get the whole girl scout low, nigga. No talking about. Oh, pause. And boom. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put that.
What you wanna do, baby? Where you wanna go? I take you to the moon, baby. I take you to the club. Treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go. Give me some time with it, and you know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still with you.
Hold on, I think I'm gonna ring it for the first time. Alright, put on speaker, I wanna hear it. I haven't heard it. Alright, sweet. Hold on. Shh. Hello. Oh, fuck. Whoa, what happened? I think I was talking to a dad.
VJ, if yes is spelled Y-E-S, what does E-Y-E-S spell?
It's spelled eyes.
Hey, ano na ako? Kapila po. Kapila ko.
Grandma, look.
First of all, you're throwing too many big words at me. Okay, now, because I don't understand them, I'm going to take them as disrespect. Watch your mouth.
Goddamn, Grandma, I was just getting down.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread.
Yes, Mom?
What's up? Help me! What? Help me! No, I'm good. Nigga!
Mine saying it's gonna be alright, 'cause the players gonna play, and the haters gonna hate, baby.
Ain't no more shit.